Hello guys, welcome to the channel Phone Mania. In today's video, we are going to unbox the Infinix GT20 Pro and we are getting a free GT Pro gaming kit also, which includes a GT Mecha case, cooling fan and a GT finger sleeves for the gaming and all. So this is the Mecha orange color. So let's start off from the unboxing. So here we are getting a seal over here. So okay, it's done. Yeah, one more over here. And okay, oh wow, oh look at this. And you can see, so here is the phone itself. Before that, let's check what are we getting over. Sim ejector tool and a lot of things. So Infinix user manual, some support installation guide, and the best part, you are getting a tempered glass within. You can see a tempered glass within, which is of a decent quality. And let's see, and we are also getting a case which is of decent quality also, so you can see. Yeah, and now let's see, this is the phone. Let me, okay, so guys, this is the Mecha orange color for the phone, and you can see the sides, and you can see on the power button there is a light orange logo over here, and you can see on the top you can see sound by JBL is written, and on the left is completely clean, and on the bottom you can see the ports, sim ejector tool and the speakers. So that's it. And now it's time for the, okay, so adapter. Infinix, we are getting the 45-watt adapter over here. So USB type A to type C up direct cables. And the best part is you are getting the capsule type of, for even if you're gaming you can still use it, so it won't distract your gaming. So that is also available, which is a cool thing. For showing you the GT Pro gaming kit, I would like to install the screen protector which comes within the box, and here we are also getting an installation guide. Anyways, so let's peel off over here first, and let's take all of them. So that's it. So first thing is dust absorber. So just take it up like this and just check your phone with, you can see a dust is over here. So just pick up and check all the sides, especially sides can cause some bubbles. So check all the sides and just press it with this dust absorber. See, simple, nothing much to do. Especially the sides may contain some minor dust which is almost unnoticeable, and if possible you can just do it. So now it's, you can see, almost looks perfect. And let's keep it on the same location because might we need it later. And these two things, this is the wet wipes and dry wipe. First of all, we need to just pick it up, the wet one, and this contains some sort of alcoholic type, and just clean it. Especially the side, you need to take care like this. You need to clean very thoroughly. And yeah, you can see as the side is completely covered, and now you're good to go. You can see it's perfect, no sort of any issues over here. And now I need to cut the dry one, so just pick it up, the dry one, and clean the exact area which we used alcohol. And see, it's now done, perfect. Now you can just adjust the angles to locate any minor dust particles. If you can still see minor dust particles, you need to again take out the dust absorber and just do it on the exact side. Now it seems almost perfect over here. So let me remove all of this, and now you should be very careful. You should just take this up, and you can see, just peel like simple, nothing. And you need to always observe which is the top portion. You can see a top portion may have a minor slit like this, and just remove. So it's completely removed, and just see, you need to align your fingers on all the sides so that you might not miss up. So let's get really perfect on this location. Okay, so you can see now the top portion is aligned, and all you need to do is just a press on the top. It automatically, see it is going automatically till the ends. See, yeah, it's getting perfect. Yeah, and see, if you are still having some minor bubbles here and there, just use this and just press the bubbles sideways like this. You can see almost perfect. And just you can see one over here, just press it, you can see almost perfect, you can see. So if you look on the left side, it's perfect, and you can see a minor bug over here, you can see. Now this is the worst case scenario. Now you need to see, this is because we have a dust remaining also. You just need to take it up again, and the reason why I said to keep it again that the dust absorber, you need to just press, see, and removing. See, now it's done perfectly. If there is anything else, you need to again, okay, and check. Okay, no issues on removing the second time also. You should be very careful. And I think one more dust particles is still there. Yeah, now just align. This is the worst case scenario. Most probably this won't be happening, but if no need for worry, you can see it is coming perfect. See. So I think now it's see. Wow. Okay, now it's time for a push from this side to that side, or you can see from, yeah, yes. So it's perfect on that side. See, it's perfect, right? And wow, see, now it's 100% perfect. So in that, one more thing is there. Yeah, see. So this is the, even in such situations happens, you can still have a backup plan. So always take this thing is the key important thing. So always keep it after the use in this exact location. So if you have any minor dirt or dust minor, that won't be visible if you still look. So only you can be observed after you just place a screen guard. Now it's done perfectly. You can see, wow. It's time to apply the case. So just putting, yeah. So it's done, and putting up the device. Okay, Infinix. One more chance is there after applying the screen guards. Maybe if you haven't placed the finger exactly and places the perfect align, there are chances to screen guard to come up because of the case just fits perfectly. You can see like this. So in that case, you need to place this case. With the case itself, you can apply the screen guard. So there would be no mess up. You can just place it exactly like this. So you can also use the case, then you can apply the screen guard also. So you can keep it that well. It's time for the, okay, so let's see. Okay, so we are getting another case over here. Oh, oh man, what is this thing? Oh, wow, wow. Oh, okay, cool, so cool. And then let's see the case which comes, and yeah, so we are getting another case also, you can see. So almost both of them looks almost the same. With this, because of the mecha orange, we can see this type of orange finish over here. And let's see, so here we are getting that finger sleeves for gaming, and two of them. Let me, yeah, you can see. Okay, yeah, seems decent by the way. And then the data cables, you can see type C to type C. That means you can just, where is this thing? can just remove, see, like this, and just place it. Now just remove this case, and this is the case, and just apply this one, and just place like this. So you can see it's aligned perfectly, and just plug in. So it's what's it to say, you might need a power bank, or okay, so let's plug it. Okay, it's plugged. Let's see if it can charge like this. Let me skip, then it would be super awesome. Wow. Look at that thing. Ooh. Oh man. Oh, oh, oh. Ada mone. It's superb, guys. You can see the color combinations and looks like super premium. And yeah, so that's it. Let's see. Wow, it feels like freezer. Okay, so that's it. Show you an example of IQ's one. So this is the IQ's phone cooler, you can see, and let me take it out. And this is adjustable like this, so you can fit it anywhere, but this is because the magnet only supports, which supports this type of magnetic thing and all. So apart from that, I feel like IQ's, because of this clip mechanism, you can use it in many phones, but this guy, anyways, let's try it with another phone. So let me pick it up, and okay, it's, you can see it's going, but so this is a glass back, this is the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but still you can see it supports, because of this magnetic wireless charging, it is almost fixed. You can see even if I do like this, so which is really cool, you can see, whoa,